Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Said Agbola. Today I'll walk us through a step-by-step process of how you can edit a PDF file on your smartphone. All you have to do is to download an application named
Click
Microsoft
to
Office.
install the application on your phone. If you're using an Android phone, go to your Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone, you go to your Apple Store to download the application. As you can see here, I already have the application on my phone, which is why I have the option to open the application. So I'll open up the application. Then you will need to sign up. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you need to sign up. So enter your valid email address. You can use your email address, you can use your Skype name or your phone number. So once you insert your email address, click next. You click the right arrow. With this application, you can edit any form of PDF. Once the screen load up, you'll be able to continue with your registration. Then on the next screen, click next. You click next to continue with your registration on Microsoft Office. So this is where you create your password. You need to create a very strong password here. On this screen, I will blur this screen so as not to reveal some of my details. I wouldn't like to reveal my password, so I'm sorry about that. I will blur the screen. So after entering your password, click next. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email address for your verification code. I'll check mine right now to see if I have received my verification code. So I have received my verification code. I will input my verification code right now to continue with the registration. So after inputting your verification code, click the next button to continue. And on the next page, you will be required to solve a CAPTCHA challenge just to verify that you're not a robot. This is simple and wouldn't take much of your time. Okay, so you follow the instruction on the screen. Please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. Click next. Take your time to solve the puzzle. It's simple and doesn't take much of your time. Doesn't take time. So after completing the verification process, then boom, your account is ready. Your account is ready. So you wait while the Microsoft Office is being configured on your smartphone. I think we have our account already. Click next on this page. Then you can decide to accept or deny this. So I think you can choose either of the option. It's optional. You can just close this page. Yeah, you can close the privacy setting. I think you can just skip this for now. Skip this for now. They want us to go premium. We don't need a premium account to edit our PDF file. So you just skip and press OK. Yes, our account is now ready. Now that we have our account, I'll try to edit a PDF document right now as an example so that we can know how to edit our PDF file and save it on our phone. So the document I'll be editing is NDA, blah blah blah, Said Agbola. I want to make it an example. Okay. So the first thing you do is the three dots at the bottom right corner. Click on it. Then you convert your PDF. You convert it to Word. Then you wait for the conversion. After converting it to Word, then you can begin to edit your file just as you like. So I'm gonna try to edit this. I can write whatever I wish to write. I can add anything I wish to add to my PDF file. Is you are about to become a PDF editor, something like that? Something like that. Input it. Then I can also delete what I don't want. I can delete things, informations I don't want, and I can add. There are options there to add pictures if you want to add pictures to your PDF file. If your PDF file comes with a picture or you want to remove or replace it, there is an option on the screen right there to replace and change your pictures. So, after editing your file, you click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. So, we're gonna save our file right now. We're gonna save our file as a document file. First thing, you save your file as a document file. So click on the three dots, you click on save, click on save. No, okay, no, I think we have to go back from here. Let's go back. There are also some other ways you can format your PDF file, as you can see. So click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on save as. Save as. So you click on this device, click to save it on your device as a document file. First thing, as a document file, you choose where you want to save it on your device. Okay, then click save. Then we have our document saved already. Then you click on the three dots again. Now we have an option to share our file as a PDF. So you click on share as PDF. So our file is getting ready. Then from here, you can decide to add a signature to your PDF file to make it valid. You can decide to add a signature. So I'm gonna add a signature to my PDF file. I'm gonna add a signature right now. Once you click to add signature, a screen will pop up for you to add a signature. You can see I already added a signature. You can change this. You can decide to delete and add wherever signature you want to add. That was the signature I added to some of my files I have edited initially. So I'm gonna add another signature to this particular file I am editing. Okay, so you click OK, click the OK button. So we've added our signature. You can resize it, you can change the size, you can move it wherever you want it to be. So I'm going to place it where the signature line is. So that's cool. We have our signature on our PDF already. So you click on the three dots at the bottom right corner again to save your file. So we're going to save our file as PDF file right now. So it's not a document file any longer. You can change the name of your file right now to whatever pleases you so that you can be able to locate your file easily on your device. So I'll change mine to Prince NDA. So it will be a .pdf file right now. So boom, our file is ready. So I'll take you back to the home screen. Let us try to view this file. Let's see if the changes we've made is actually reflecting on the file. Let's see. So we go back to the home screen. Yeah. So this is the file, Prince NDA. I'll open it right now. I'm opening the file right now. So you can see the signature I added. You can see, let me zoom in so that we can see what I added to the title of the file. So you can see what I added to the title of the file. I think I added "You're about to become a PDF file editor." Here you can see, yes. So all the changes we've made is actually reflecting on our PDF file. So our PDF file is good and okay. So
And if you want to share your PDF file with anybody, either on WhatsApp, through Gmail, you can share it right here on Microsoft Office. So you click the option to share. Click the option to share. There are many ways you can share through Zenda, Gmail, Bluetooth, WhatsApp. So I'm gonna try to share through WhatsApp to someone right now as an example. So as you can see, you just share the PDF file I edited back to someone on WhatsApp. So I think that's all you need to know about how to edit a PDF file. If you find this video informative, educative, interesting, please subscribe to my channel and like, and you can comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.